This is the Hayes Realty Real Estate Podcast. Hayes Realty is a team of former Big Five banking foreclosure specialists committed to helping homeowners win in the real estate market. Their knowledge of the foreclosure banking industry, combined with their deep understanding of the Southern California real estate market, have enabled them to meet the needs of many homeowners facing foreclosure. Here's the host of your show, Emmett Hayes.
What's going on, everybody? This is Emmett Hayes with the Hayes Realty Real Estate Podcast. Welcome back for another week's segment. I got a great question the other day from a listener. They emailed me and asked, can a family member or friend give you money for your down payment? Great question. And the answer is yes. There are a lot of loan programs out there that allow gift funds as down payment. Typically, whoever is giving you the gift funds, they have to provide the lender with a bank statement showing where the money's coming from, along with writing a letter stating that they are giving you these funds as a gift for a down payment to purchase a home. Now, one thing I want to be clear about is that just because you have someone who may have some funds that they want to give you to purchase a home doesn't necessarily mean you are ready to become a home owner. You still got to have your credit in check. You still got to have a job paying you good money, and you still need to have reserves. It's best that you have at least 6 months worth of reserves saved up, along with money for closing costs also. And now here is a quick word from our sponsors.
Hey, this is Dr. Jarrett Patton. Do you need more positivity in your life? No matter what part of your life you want to transform, positive affirmations can help you achieve your goals. But sometimes making permanent changes can be difficult. Designed with you in mind, License to Live. Daily affirmations to rebuild your life will inspire and equip you to become the best version of yourself. License to Live. Daily affirmations to rebuild your life will set you on the path to changing your mindset, beliefs, speech, and ultimately your actions. You can change your life now by getting your copy at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, your finer book retails, or licensed2live.com. That's licensed2live.com.
Something smells good. EH3 coffee. EH3 coffee. Premium organic. Nothing better than waking up. EH3 in your cup. Premium organic. EH3 coffee. Nothing better than in the middle of your day. EH3 coffee. Premium organic. EH3 coffee. EH3 coffee.
Order your bag of EH3 coffee at eh3coffee.com, or you can find us at walmart.com.
This is Dr. Jarrett Patton. You are listening to the Hayes Realty Real Estate Podcast.
So when I say reserves, I'm talking about money saved up in the bank to pay or go towards your down payment. So if your payment is $1,000 a month, then you need to have at least $6,000 saved up in your account, 6 months reserves, just for a rainy day. You know, we all know things don't go the right way we want them all the time. So you need to have those reserves. Now, getting these gift funds may help you achieve your dream of home ownership, but we want to give you game on not just how to achieve home ownership, but how to sustain it. It's one thing to buy a house and then lose it 3-4 years later. It's another thing to buy a house and then still own that house 20 years later. That's what we shooting for, the long haul. So in order to be fully prepared, if you do have someone who's giving you gift funds, that's a blessing. But if I were you, I would still proceed as if those gift funds weren't going to be given. I would stack up enough money to have a down payment along with closing costs plus 6 months reserves. You have all of that and then you get the gift funds to help towards the down payment. Now you are more than ready to buy that house. Keep those little tidbits in mind, y'all. Gift funds are okay, but you still want to make sure that you got reserves and that you are still able to not only buy that house, but sustain paying that mortgage and keep it for the long haul. Till next time, take care, everybody. Do you need any help with any real estate needs? Maybe you need to sell a home, or maybe you're looking to buy a home, or maybe you're going through foreclosure and need help in navigating through that. Reach out to Hayes Realty for all things real estate. Give us a call at 1-800-217-0034. We got you.